There's a lot of motorcycles. There's a lot of bikes. And don't be fooled, this is not a party. This is not a party. This is a way of saying fuck you, government. Oh, hell yeah. Hello guys, welcome back. Hellishrider here. So today a completely different vlog, and we are on our way for a strike. Let's call it a strike. It's not well a strike, but it's a manifestation of motorcycle riders here in Portugal, since the government decided to make demanding annual inspections on the motorcycles, and we are completely against that. All right guys, and we are almost arriving at the gathering place here in Lisbon, Parque das Nações. And from here we're gonna ride towards the center of Lisbon to downtown and make some noise against these about annual inspections on the bikes, on the motorcycles, because once again this is only a corrupt way of our government to get money from us. Woo guys, look at this. There's a lot of motorcycles here. That's a lot. That's a lot. People are taking pictures. We have the national TV here. This was it. A few kilometers to the center of Lisbon in really slow pace, and fighting against the inspections, the annual inspections on motorcycles, that despite this European rule, a lot of countries are fighting against it, because it's more than proof that no motorcycle is involved in accidents because of lack of maintenance or something. It's always human fault. So why spending money only because a corrupt government is trying to get money from your pockets? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see each other on the next one. Don't forget, rip, ride in peace. Yeah.